Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the basic seam types. Okay guys, let's start to learn about this plain seam, close seam with double top stitching. Actually, this is just a close seam but adding two top stitching. It's common in some denims and some other swing seams depend on the purpose. The constructions. Put the second piece on top and mark the seam line. Sew the stitch to the seam line. Overlock the two pieces of seam allowance together. Open the sample like this so it will be in the right side. And then do top stitching next to seam line and the seam allowance edge. How to make it? Prepare two pieces of fabrics. Mark the right side and the wrong side. Put it in layer right side together and then ready to sew with 1 cm seam allowance. Remember to lock the stitch in the beginning and at the end of the seam line. Sew the both fabrics following the seam line. Trim the thread. Open the garment sample. Turn to wrong side where the seam allowance is. And then prepare to overlock the seam allowance edge. Overlock the two pieces together until the end of the seam line. And here is the result seen from the wrong side. We can see the overlock in the edge of the seam allowance, and this side is the right side. And add the first top stitching close to the seam line where the seam allowance is under it, so it will be attached with the stitch. So the result will be like this. And then do the second stitching. Try to make it in the top of the seam allowance edge, so it will be neat in the wrong side. The result from the right side is like this, with two top stitchings. And then the wrong side will be like this with overlock. With these basic seam types, we can easily start our sewing projects. We will discuss about more advanced seam types in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Leave the comment down below what next video we should discuss in our channel. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.